Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video on a set of gauges I recently purchased. The housing is an Autometer housing. The gauges are a Marshall brand gauge. I got a good deal on the Autometer housing, and the gauges, well, I just didn't want to have to give up my firstborn to buy a set of gauges, so I purchased these Marshall. Did a little research before I made the purchase, and I did call them. Really nice folks. They answered the phone right away. You got to talk to a person. No computers. Anyway, they seem to work real good. I just want to make a quick video so somebody can see what they look like. Maybe help somebody out. Alright, well I hope that helps any of you wanting to see what these gauges look like at night or even during the day. Anyway, hopefully I'll come back with another update on Project Apache in the future, and you'll get to see other cool things other than these awesome Marshall gauges.